In the realm of online business and entrepreneurship, the quest for higher income and improved lifestyle is an ongoing pursuit for many individuals. The seven-figure commission system stands out as a beacon of hope, promising to transform both income and lifestyle for those willing to embark on the journey. The seven-figure commission system is your opportunity to license a brand new online system that makes over 7 figures in commissions per year for the creator. The system that makes us at least $100, $500 in commissions per day. What's more, you don't need to have experience in affiliate marketing or any online business to have success with this system. The seven-figure commission system has everything you need, and the majority of the system is done for you. Inside the seven-figure commission system, you get products to give away for free, free traffic getting DFY money campaigns, paid upgrades which make $100, $500 daily, high-ticket offers that result in $1,000 commissions, 100% commissions on everything. 4 steps to online success with the seven-figure commission system. Once you purchase your license, it's a simple 4-step process to get the same results we're getting with the seven-figure commission system. Seven-figure commission system that does it all for you. With the seven-figure commission system, earning $100, $500 per day without needing to know how to do any marketing. Create a product, build an email list, start a YouTube channel, create an online e-commerce store, post on social media every day, get an Amazon FBA account, start dealing in cryptocurrency. You don't have to do any of these things with the seven-figure commission system. Who's making money with their seven-figure commission system? Teachers, primary and college level, lawyers, firefighters, medical professionals, dental hygienists, restaurant managers, personal trainers, military veterans, insurance professionals, small business owners, real estate agents, salespeople, photographers, kitchen and retail managers. Features and benefits. This system boasts a range of features designed to streamline the affiliate marketing process and maximize earnings.